Students, we have started with the topic that is countable and uncountable nouns. So, as you have told you before, the definition, countable noun are those nouns that we can count using numbers. When we are counting something, you can use number. And countable noun are always in the plural form. So plural form and singular form, a single thing is known as singular form, and more than two things are known as plural form. So countable noun we can are in a plural form. And, uncountable noun are those that can be that we can not count with numbers. So we cannot count that with the numbers. Examples here are given is water, milk, sugar, air, oil. So all these are in singular form. So with the help of this definition, we have solved the exercise A. It was on page number 29. So continue with the next exercise, that is on page number 30, exercise B. Then let's see what we have to do in this exercise. Write C for countable noun and U for uncountable noun in this given blank. So here some names are given, nouns. So you have to just identify them and write countable and uncountable. For this countable and uncountable noun, you have to just write C for countable noun. Where the answer is countable noun, we have to just write C, and U for uncountable noun. So no need of writing the full spelling, just the initial for the both of them, that is C for countable noun and U for uncountable. I hope you have understood this. Just going to read out what you have to done. So the first one is money. So money is uncountable. So I have given here uncountable. But most of the students get confused with this, because money, most of them think that we can count. We can count money, but not exactly the money. The word here money is not countable, it is uncountable. Coin, rupees is countable. So how many rupees you are having, you can count that. How many coins are there, 5, 6, 10, whatever it is, you can count. But monies never we can say monies. We don't say monies. It's in plural form. So money, that's why it is uncountable now. So number 2, tea. Number 2 is tea. It is again uncountable. So it is again in a singular form only. So you have to write uncountable for tea. Song is countable. So song, there may be 3 songs, 4 songs, 5 songs, and songs is written in plural form. So it is countable. Again here gold is again countable. How many kilo gold you say, a few things, that is all, that is countable now. Again number 5th, dog is countable. Number 6, page, countable. Number 7 is sugar, that is uncountable. Uncountable, you have to write U for sugar. Page, it is countable. Next, number 8, water, it is uncountable. Water is uncountable. Photos is countable. Number 9, photos is countable. Number 10, rice, uncountable. 11, teacher, countable. There may be 4 teachers, 5 teachers, so it is again countable. Number 12, milk is uncountable. You cannot say 5 milk, 6 milk. So in this way it is uncountable. Number 13, minute is countable. How many minutes? And you can write it in plural forms, that is minutes. Okay. Luggage is countable. So how many luggage you are going to take? Luggages means the belonging. When we are traveling, we take bags and everything, that is called a luggage. Or a packing material in one of the content, that is called as luggage. So it is countable again. Number 15, air. Air is uncountable. You cannot count air, 1 air, 2 air. No, you cannot do that. And it is in singular form, that is one singular noun. So it is uncountable. Number 16, bottle. So bottle is countable. You can count bottle, 2, 3 bottles. You can count bottles maybe of milk, water, whatever juice it is. So bottle is countable. So in this way you have to just write the initial for countable and uncountable for exercise, that is number B. Okay, so just going to revise what we have written. Just going to see number 1, 3, 5, 7 in this way. So going to just read out for you. Money, uncountable. Song, countable. Dog, countable. Sugar, uncountable. Photos, countable. Teacher, countable. Minute, countable. Air, uncountable. On this side, going to see number 2, tea, uncountable. Gold, countable. Page, countable. Water, countable. Rice, countable. Milk, countable. Luggage, countable. Bottle, countable. And this way all the 16 nouns were written the answer countable and uncountable with the initial U and C. So hope you have understood that exercise. You have to complete it properly in your textbook. It's on page number 30. Up till then, continuing with the next exercise in the next period. Thank you, students.